Aries. This is your channel messages for the 28th of November. Wow, time flies when you're homeless. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Aries, we have messages to talk about today. The first message I want to talk about, Jesus Christ, to the Toronto paramedic that I saw last night, who decided to bless me by taking off his mask before he left. He was doing his job, but he just wanted to show the commoners that he was humble. Why the paramedic took off his mask last night? Jesus Christ, sir, I would risk COVID-19 for you. I sure did it. I sure did it. I sure did it. Jesus Christ. I don't feel like COVID-19 would be that bad. Sir, I would take off a mask and put it on for you, sir. So we just want to send a big thank you to the paramedic services of Toronto. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service, and thank you for demasking in the face of masklessness. Okay, right? Okay, great. Okay, so second thing we want to talk about today. Did everybody see what happened with Cenat? Apparently him at the one show, he's doing his show. Why people always say Cenat show is for kids? That's not a kids show. No, it may have started on a network that kids frequent, but YouTube is not for kids. You have YouTube Kids, where you can download YouTube Kids. You have YouTube where you can turn on parental control. But YouTube is not a kids platform. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? I think you even have to be 13 years old to even have a YouTube account. Okay, fine. 13 is still a child. But I'm just say, you have parental control and you have YouTube Kids. Kai's show is not for kids. Who keep telling you that? Or honestly that a lot of kids is gravitating to him, so only just turn it and say, oh, it's a family show. It's not a family show. Maybe we don't want to appeal to the kids. Maybe we don't want the things and left on the kids at home for watch Kai. Kai's show is not a family show. Just like how my readings are not tarot readings. No, if you want your child to listen to me while you have parental guidance over them, so when I say certain things, you can try to cover the child ears, fine. Believe me, your child is listening to worse. They're listening to sex education about how to be a boy and how to be a girl. And if you don't want to be a girl, you can be a boy. They're listening to that in preschool. Trust me, I'm no harm to your kids. Okay, anyways, right, so on Cenat show, one white man, I say, God, I say, Keith Carby had a dream that one day he would have seen a white man be in the same position that I was once in. My father always did tell me, anytime he would have sit down with me and make me watch slavery show with him, he would always say, you notice no white man never get whipped on camera before. You never see a slave whip a white man on camera before. Why? All these slave movies. You never see a movie of slavery being ended. You never see people come to a conclusion as to how we go into space, motherfuckers, right? And we have never found a conclusion to write in the history tales that racism was cured. Never. My father, anytime he ever made me sit down, he made me sit down and watch Roswell, he made me sit down and watch slavery show and them type of show there. And he always said to me, you notice none of these clips ever show you a slave master being whipped, a slave master being hung, a slave master going through the same things as slave. You never saw a plot where the slave did overpower the slave master and do the slave master what they have done to him. So I want, like Cenat, you made Keith Carby's vision come to fucking life when you make that white man put a blood clot noose round him neck and decide say you have a blood clot, make him do magic trick on your fucking show. No, I don't even know what the fuck is worse, hanging a nigger or hanging a wigger. Kai, you know what they're gonna do to you? They're going to do to you like what they did to Jake Paul. Remember what happened to Jake Paul? Or Jake Paul was the biggest YouTuber. What happened to Jake Paul? He went somewhere in Japan, in some blood clot woods, where Japanese people are known to go and kill themselves or hang themselves. Them go there, see their blood clot body a hang, and video it. No, I won't lie, because I don't want to seem like a hypocrite. 3 packs of sugar. Mr. Mohan, you may have known my face from 2012 when we used to do We All Got Issues. I'm going to clip it right here.
So here what? We all got issues. There, man. So here what? We all got issues. There, man. Mom.
Right, on that show, me never know nothing about editing. I wasn't editing my shit and wasn't doing anything. And a lot of things that were editing into my show probably because YouTube for banned me a long time ago. From me as a child, YouTube probably banned me. There was a lot of BDSM pictures in my shit, and it was two big horny man who was already fucking, and then I edit my things them. I wasn't fucking when I was doing We All Got Issues. I was a virgin. The two man them who was editing it for me and who had access to the camera, who was doing it for me because me they have a dream. But we all know niggas can't dream. Because once a nigga have a dream, they gon' fuck it up when it becomes a reality, right? Even there was clips of a funeral with this family over one dead body in a one hearse, and the dead body stays and the family over the dead body I laugh. Me even the comment on it too. Little things that we did not know is not for the internet, even though it's on the internet. Could I get with blood clot ban and block? So this may be my reason of being banned, blocked, or I haven't reached as far as I wanted to. Maybe it end up get banned, blacklisted, all type of things. From We All Got Issues days. From a producer, not my producer. Because I was a producer. They were older man, and then they have editing things and editing software, right? Cool. The only thing they need them for is the camera, and because them had the editing software. A bare weird ass shit was uploaded in my shit. I never did know, because we never even watch it back. But Kai, they're going to do it. My blacklisted back then. From the dirty blood, from dirty stinking suck cocky Brenton White and dirty blood clot Orlando Taylor. And I don't know why these two men did this to me, right? But my father did warn me. My daddy warned me. I never listened. I never fucking listened, right? When them edited the man on the train and shout, I hate niggers, I hate Jews, I hate niggers. A Brenton White bumble clot put that in my video. And YouTube banned me ever blood clot since. Brenton White, that blood clot 26, 27 of October with the blood clot pigeon them. That dirty fucker make YouTube make blood. Nothing. We all got issues. I'll snippet it, okay? Any single way. Kai, them are gonna ban you. You hear? Kai, them are gonna tear your blood clot down. They're going to use you, make a lot of money off of you, and then spit you aside. Why would you do that? And me never say why would you do that, because Kai, you are obviously turning into a puppet now. I'm seeing the people them on the show. I see how your show are run. This is nothing but, I don't know, something seem puppety about it. It seems very white now, Kai. I know you guys have a lot of niggas in those house, but your shit seem white scripted. Cause which nigga would I tell if I get a blood clot white man to put a news round in the neck and hang him blood clot self on TV, on your fucking show. And you see what happened in the footage? Something go wrong. And a Lego them have to Lego the wire and the guy drop. And the white man them tell Kai, oh, go back, go back, go back. And Kai said, no, I want to see if the guy alright, I want to see if the guy alright. You know what I feel? I feel like them set up him and Kai the same day. Them knew that's what went to happen. Them know that the guy will get half hung on the blood clot set. They knew that. People do anything for money. Anything. So this is very sad. Since I don't know what Kai gonna do. I don't know. I hope his career is not banned over this. Because I know it wasn't intentional and a theme fault. Probably some white people mentality, or some white people were obviously puppeteering, because kind of look like him responsible for him shit no more. And if he is, believe me, he ain't reading the fine prints. They made you show a fucking white man being hanged on camera. Mr. Carby would be very, very happy to know that his daughter got fucking justice. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries, let's go. I am actually not. I'm not going into any music right now because I am worried about you. Them going to use him and blood clot discard him and the whole internet ban him. You saw them the ban Jake Paul? Let's go. Let's see what your overall message is. King of Pentacles. So I'm getting a Capricorn. You're dealing with a Taurus or Virgo man, okay? I'm getting big bank, big money, or maybe you were paid a lot of money to pull off this stunt. Maybe you were requested to get a Caucasian man and put a noose around his neck. Maybe that's what you were requesting. Maybe you want to see how people reacted to it. Would they have been as hateful towards you as how they were hateful towards Jake Paul? Overall message of the King of Pentacles though, so we're dealing with an earth sign, lot of money and success. Why Kai? I don't want anybody in Kai. I like you, Kai. I really like you. I really like you. I like you. I like speed. And I feel like you guys are the only who representing. Remember when Kai was supposed to go out into the town and give the people them the game and him the shutdown? From them they want blacklist Kai. I talk about him and the problem and look, he's promoting violence. He ain't promoting shit. He's promoting Scissor's ass. That's what the fuck he's promoting, right? We're the 9 of Cups, all right. So now, also, you start get hype on camera now. You start get high as fuck, and it's okay to get high with Snoop Doggy Dogg OG. He's new. When are you gonna make high try the indica? Man, shut the fuck up, man. I make high try every motherfucking thing. Get the fuck out of here. He's new. Do you think that Ray J calling Nicki Minaj beautiful was too overbearing? Man, I don't give a fuck about that, nigga. She's with me, man. He's new. Why didn't you change your name to Snoopy? Man, shut the fuck up, okay? 9 of Cups. Me get it. Yeah, you start drink, you start get high. Kai show is not a kid show. Who is telling you this? If your kids is watching Kai, then that's one thing. But do not say Kai show is a kid show. It's not. Who said that? Who said that? Why you keep saying that? 9 of Cups, so they start get hype on camera too. You don't get high and then come on camera. You get high on, you not get hype on camera. Even Miles I say, y'all niggas high as fuck. Even Miles, I said, oh, when I joke, you could have seen the disappointment in Miles' eyes. Miles, I said, bumbo clot, imagine if we could get a setup like this. And them niggas, they're in a blood clot, but I drink and a blood clot, smoke it out. No, of course, when you build up your empire until the point where you're at the top, you can do anything you want. You can drink, you can smoke, you can anything. But you can't say, oh, Miles, they look disappointed. When you say, y'all niggas high as fuck, was Snoop here? Look, big Snoop Dogg. Miles gave no fucks about who a celebrity was that day. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Hi Miles, tell me, what inspires you and who motivated you the most? Your mom, nigga. That smells amazing. Right? Even Miles was like, y'all niggas, was Snoop here? Y'all niggas high as fuck. When I get hype on camera, 9 of Cups. Maybe maybe that's the agenda, because a lot of the streams agenda is the gay agenda. Maybe not try to make the kids them a smoke and a drink early, because you know kids watch you. It's one thing if kids are watch you and you swear or you have the crazy shit, but bruh, you show a man being hanged voluntarily. They're not, yeah, it's a white man gave the idea, one Caucasian man, King of Swords gave the idea. Are me getting what you want Aidan Ross? Because I see Aidan Ross is faded at the back. Maybe the Jews are coming to the fucking front. What the fuck is happening? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't want to call not. Yeah, I really do. Yeah, the guy nearly fucking dead. The last man who did some shit like this, who decided it was nice to go cemetery or nice to go show a dead body or attempt what it would be like before you're dead. A Jake Paul, them nearly blood clot blacklist him and kill him. You know, to know him. A Jake Paul a fight. Who are the fighter? Jake? A Jake Paul or him brother? Which one? Logan, sorry, not Jake. I'm sorry, Jake. I'm so sorry, Jake. Logan Paul. No, Logan Paul him did ban. I think a Logan Paul him did ban, not Jake. I'm sorry. Jake is a boxer. Jake at 27 years old, shut the fuck up. What the fuck you doing, sir? You 27? What you been doing to yourself? You need to stop. You need to stop with this motherfucking boxing shit, Jake. Jake cannot be 27 years old. Means 31. Jake Paul means 31 years old. You cannot be 27. That is not possible. Sir, whatever the fuck you're doing, you need to stop it. No. No. What the fuck? The Hangman, the Page of Pentacles, and we have the Ace of Swords. Or me getting something about re-bargaining or renegotiating a contract. A contract is going to be up soon. Or me getting the money for that contract will be up soon. You're going to have to renew soon. Bro, me getting somebody want to put in me getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man want to put in a very compromising situation. It's not that I feel like a channel will get banned, but I don't know, I'm getting some type of puppetry or some type of foreplay what happened. No, if that's not it, I'm getting, I don't know. I see the Hangman beside the Page of Wands, it look like you almost killed somebody. Or you say, fuck, look how the person could have dead. And then want it on Kai hands. That cannot be on Kai hand. Kai don't own the camera. Kai don't own the microphone. Kai never even own the set. Kai never even owned that wigger. So for you to say it was Kai's fault, it wasn't. But what we are going to say is Kai. It's really there. I think you know. I think she knows. I think she knows. That's all I'm gonna say. I think I know. I think I know. I think I know. We have handler. Yes, sir. Yeah, get blood clot handled. And she knows. I know she knows. I know she knows. Yeah, she know. She know. She knows. Guy, you have a handler. Ooh, you got a handler now, sir. Welcome to fucking Hollywood. Leo. Your handler might be a Leo or something around here about this Leo man. Right? We have toxic relationship. We have there is a ghost in my room since I almost killed a fucking man and turned him into a ghost. And you're going to be like, no, the man said, I want to come on the show, go the magic trick. Him should have auditioned it in front of you. From you see one noose. And the noose and around him blood clot naked just say, sir, not here, sir. And your Holiness, we need a change in the community. Sir, not here, sir. Sir, this is not the time and we don't want this to be viewing me. And your Holiness, the girls them are selling the prices on the pum pum too high down here in the community, and your Holiness. Sir, I understand what you're saying, sir, and I know that is a concern for the community, sir, but you have to wait until I'm finished, sir, so we can step to the side. And your Holiness, you cannot wait, sir. Inflation, pump price is too high. The girls them down here need for decreasing. Sir, I understand that, sir, but we can't necessarily tell the women to decrease the price of them pussy, sir. So just see me after the meeting, sir, and let us see if we can come to a resolution, okay? Great. Yeah, you have handler around you. I don't know if you handler one, Leo. But me getting, yes, sweetie, you got a handler. Pisces are come up now. We have Leo and Pisces. One more. And we have Virgo. Yeah. Me tell you, my daddy's a Virgo. I am telling you. Me say, Keith Carby never thought, Ras Carby never thought the day. Keith Carby never thought the day when he would have seen, and I had a dream that one day a wigger would pay for what they did to my black daughter. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.